channel, and if you're new, my name's Katrina. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys my favorite apps to use for Instagram, just as far as like editing pictures, editing your captions, editing your bio, all that stuff. I'm also going to be showing you guys a quick little eyeshadow tutorial. I'll explain why I have to do that in the video. Yeah, it's this really cute look right here. I think this is perfect for like holidays. I was inspired to do this look, so I kind of show you how I recreated it, but you could definitely recreate it your own way. If you haven't already, I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you're notified when I upload. So if you want to hear my favorite apps to use for Instagram and see how I did this look, keep watching. So usually for these videos, I usually film like with the camera and then go on my phone and then just screen record and kind of sync it up when I'm editing. But I don't know, with the new update on the MacBook, it's not recognizing the format that's on the Sony camera. Like when it uploads, I can't even like upload it like to convert it. I don't know, I have to figure out what to do. So for now, I've been filming on my phone. So I thought for this video I'd do like maybe a makeup tutorial while I'm talking, so I'm not just like talking and sitting here. I'm just gonna have to, I don't know, screen record my phone and add that in later. But yeah, I wrote down the app. Oops. So yeah, I wrote down the apps because I know I'm not gonna remember them, so I'm gonna be talking about them in the order you see them on my phone. Makeup look I'm going to be doing is actually inspired by this girl right here. Her name is Shay. I've been following her for a while and she's been like growing and growing. And just the makeup she does, like it for me, like it makes it look so, I know it's not easy because when I do it I'm like, I can't do it like her, but she makes it look easy. So I'm going to try to kind of recreate what she did. I don't have the exact palette that she used, but I'm going to be using the James Charles palette because it has pretty much the similar colors that she used. The three colors I'm going to be using are You're Kidding, 518, and Face. So those are the three colors I'm going to be using because they look the most similar to what she used in her video. I already did my face and I already primed my lips with the Morphe Eyelid Primer. So yeah, I'm not going to really get into what I'm doing so much as makeup because like I said, I'm going to be talking about the Instagram apps, but I will list everything that I used down below. Basically using those three colors is going to be pretty simple. The first app is TOUCHRETOUCH. If you watch my videos, you know I've talked about that app many times and done many videos on it. You guys seem to love it. Basically, well, to start off, it's not free. It's $1.99. Most of everything, yeah, I think all the other apps I'm going to talk about are free. This is the only one that's not free, but it's $1.99, and basically it's a retouch app. You can kind of take out things that you don't want, like maybe even like things like a small pimple or just something you want to take out, or even like maybe you have something in the background of your picture. That orange is a little light. I'm actually going to be using code James. That one is a little too like Cheeto like. But yeah, so that TOUCHRETOUCH is basically, it's a retouch app. Again, it's $1.99. Normally I would never ever pay for apps, but it definitely comes in handy if you want to, like, there's something you want to delete in your background or just like an imperfection in your face, you can easily just remove it with the app. It's pretty simple to use. So yeah, I'll post in the description below, I'll post like all the videos I have of me using that app. But yeah, I think that's probably my top favorite app to use. The second one you see is BEAUTYPLUS. That one is, yeah, I'm pretty sure that one was free. If it's not, I'll put it down below. But yeah, that one is free, and basically it's just a photo editing app. It has a lot of different tools that you can use. Like it has face slimmer. It has like to whiten your teeth. I'm trying to think what else. I really wish I could be doing this and actually showing you guys. What else you can do? You can like narrow your nose. You can. It has a tool. There's one tool on there. It's like, I think it's called Contour, and it kind of makes it look like you have contour on. I like to do it when, I don't know, maybe I took a photo and I just want to enhance it a little bit more. I guess, if that makes sense. It also has like another section where you can add almost like makeup. Like it makes it look like you have like eyeshadow, lipstick, blush. Pretty easy to use. Again, all the apps I use are easy to use, otherwise I wouldn't be using them. The next app you see there is VSCO. Actually, I think VSCO might not be free. I'll double check again, but I think VSCO I might have paid for that. I'm not sure. But yeah, it's just another not really an editing app, but like it's more so for filters. It has a lot of nice filters in there. Yeah, that's mainly what I use it for, filters. It has a lot of free ones on there. There are some that you can buy, but I think I bought one. I think it was like 99 cents. I don't think I would spend more than that. But yeah, other than that, I use, you know, whatever they have there. You know, you can also edit it like with exposure, contrast, all that stuff. But yeah, it has a lot of nice filters on there. Next app you see there is FACETUNE. Now I'm like second guessing. I don't know. I might have paid for that too. I'm not sure. I will link everything down below, whether it's free or not. If I did pay for it, it couldn't have been more than like $2 or $3 because I wouldn't pay more than that for an app. But I like to use it just to like sometimes like enhance colors in pictures. Like I like to use the tones tab and maybe just enhance things in my pictures. I don't have like a super, you know, high def camera, so sometimes it just doesn't translate in pictures like how it might look in person. So that's mainly what I like to use. Next app is mainly for your Instagram captions. Well, your bio too. I have a video on this. I'll link everything down below. Basically, it's just like a font generator app. You but you write in what you want to write, and then you can pick from the different fonts that it has. Like it has like script, I don't know, a bunch of different fonts. So you could pick from there and put it in your bio, put it in your caption. I like to also use it to name my folders on your phone. It's a cute app to have, and usually I used to just go on the browser and do it, but I recently found out that there's an actual app for it, so that just makes it 10 times easier. Instead of having to go to the browser, I can just go to the app. The next app again is for your Instagram captions. If you ever seen, like sometimes people in their captions have like those breaks, and you wonder how you get it. I always used to wonder, and I used to like look it up on Google, and they used to say like, oh, put this space and then blah blah. But when I would do it, it still wouldn't have spaces. So for the longest time, I was like trying to figure out how to do it, and I kind of figured out how to do it. Like I don't know, sometimes it just kind of happened, and then I would kind of just copy and paste for other posts. But now I've finally found an app that does it for you. So you basically, it's the same thing. You just write in whatever you want to write, space it, and it comes out exactly how you typed it out. The next app is FONTO. I like to use that when I want to make like a new header for my YouTube. It's not really for Instagram, but I guess you could kind of use it for Instagram too, because you can like upload a picture and then you can add like other images on top of it, if that makes sense. The next app on there is Photoshop Fix. This is basically a free alternative to the TOUCHRETOUCH app. I don't use it often just because I feel like I don't know, it's really hard to use. It's not hard to use, but it's not as easy as the TOUCHRETOUCH. I don't use it as much, but it's a free alternative. If you want to do like a quick edit, it'll definitely get the job done. Something more detailed, I don't use it just because I don't know, it's hard to use. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, it's a free alternative. The next app you see there should be Eraser. I've only used this app a couple times, is free. It's just like an erasing tool. If there's something, you know what I use it mainly? Like when I'm making my headers on YouTube. If I want to, I don't know, if I want to erase, no, you know what actually I mainly use it for? I use it for like thumbnails. Like if I'm making a thumbnail on my phone and I want to kind of, I don't know, maybe I want to put an image in the picture and I kind of want to erase the background. That's what I use it for. So yeah, I don't use it for Instagram. I've used it for YouTube. The next couple ones are on the next page for a reason, because I really, like, I barely use them. Video Star, I only have it on there because sometimes my daughter uses it. Honestly, I can't really figure out how to work it. Maybe I will one day, but right now I don't. And then Clips, I actually don't know what Clips is. It was on there when the phone updated. I was trying to figure out what it was, but I don't know what it is. So, but I don't know if there's an option to delete it, because there's some apps on the iPhone that you can't like delete. So I don't know if you can, but yeah, that's there. And then INSHOT, I recently downloaded that because I was editing a video for like TikTok and I wanted to add a sound to it. Other than that, I've never used it before. I literally just used it for the first time the other day. But, it's pretty easy to have. It's free, and basically you can like upload videos. I don't know if you can really edit on there, but I know you can like add like music and I think text. No, I don't know about text, but you can have like music. Like they have music on there already, or you can, if you have like iTunes songs in your iTunes, you can add songs on there also. So I pretty much finished my eyes. I am gonna do eyeliner, lashes, and just everything else off camera, and then I'm gonna tell you about the last app. So I'll be right back. I did my liner and lashes, and then I just added some highlight, and I put just like a rosy nude color on my lips. So I'm just gonna finish up with some of that red color under my eye and mascara, and then that's it. The last app you see there is FILTO. I haven't even used it yet, to be honest, but I wanted to try it out. It just has some like cool filters on there that I want to try out, but I really haven't tried it yet. So this look is pretty much done. I'm just gonna add some highlight to my inner tear duct. But this is the finished look. What do you guys think? Again, this is inspired by, so I just kind of took like the main colors that she used to create the look. I don't think she put eyeliner on. I'm not too sure, but I don't think she did. But I don't know, I wanted to hide the band of my lashes, and then I just kind of wanted to flick it out just a little bit, just to give my eye like that kind of cat eye look, because I think that just suits my eye better. But yeah, what do you guys think? I think this is really cute for the holidays coming up. It's pretty simple, 3 colors. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's definitely something different, but I really had no other choice, because again, like I said, my computer is not recognizing when I try to upload from my camera. So this is what I have to do for now until I figure out what to do, because I have no clue what to do. If you want to see more videos like this where I kind of do like a quick little makeup look and kind of talk about something, comment down below and I'll do that. If you haven't already, I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you're notified when I upload. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.